Lasith Malinga.
Colin Munro has been cleaned up by Malinga, so we'll put back up there, boys.
Yeah, this was very much on the cards, and Malinga was looking for this angle. He's cleaning up with a brilliant delivery. Created a gap between bat and ball, bat and pad. He's mostly a massive striker down towards mid-wicket and square leg. This time got it all wrong, and Malinga, with a finger raised, has done it again from Sri Lanka with an early breakthrough. Gone for 12, 15 for 1.
Breaking on the pad, they're asking the question, will they go upstairs? They have.
Oh, close. And wickets hitting. Fabulous review taken by Lasith Malinga. Brilliant piece of cricket.
Yes, that's a confirmation. Brilliant review. Sri Lanka got 2 wickets in 2 balls. Rather than goals. That's the very first delivery. The type of start Sri Lanka needed. Yeah, he's on a hat-trick. Lasith Malinga brought home is a new batsman. Well, the crowd's gone wild. The mobile phones are on. The lights are on. Brought home on strike. Will this be the hat-trick? Let's see. Oh, he's got a hat-trick. Lasith Malinga. You beauty. You've got a hat-trick. And it's 15 for 3. What brilliant bowling by the Sri Lankan captain. Well, he's turned it around, and what a magnificent delivery.
He's looking at the big screen. He's looking where they'll get a reprieve or not. So we talked earlier about him creating a bit of drama. This could be a massive anti-climax. It's some part of that field behind the crease. That is what the third umpire is looking to read here. What do you think, folks, at home? What do you think? It's mighty tight.
Will it be a no ball? Will it be a no ball? Let's see what happens. I think it's a confirmation. The third umpire confirms he's having something behind the line. Oh, what a moment. What a moment. And Lasith Malinga a good smile. He brought home gone without scoring. It's drama here. New Zealand 15 for 3.
Brilliant. I mean, was the ball? He had no clue whatsoever. The angle of the bat suggested that he had missed the ball when it was in its fourth flight. And that hat-trick has made the day for the crowds. And it was mighty close whether it was a no ball or not. Some part of the heel was read as being behind the popping crease. Yeah, that's him. Number 99. No more.
It's too good to be true. 4 in 4 for Lasith Malinga. New Zealand now 15 for 4.
Ross Taylor gets to see back for the leg ball and plumb in front of the stumps. A dead duck. Fantastic, fabulous piece of bowling, accuracy, sideways movement. And 4 for 4. Lasith Malinga is unstoppable. 15 for 4.